In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch to map view when you're using Airbnb. The same navigation works on their phone app as well as when you're using it on a computer, right? So I will go into view properties, and by default, it gives you this list of properties to view, but it may not give you a complete idea of where these properties are. And if you want to go into the map view, all you need to do is click on this black button towards the bottom of the screen, which says map. As soon as you click on that, it's going to switch over to map, right? And then you can scroll to the left, right, up or down, whichever way you want to go. And as you keep changing the map, it automatically keeps filtering the properties which are visible to you. So at the moment, you can see towards the bottom, it says 37 DOMs, because I have chosen DOMs at the top, right? And it keeps filtering properties in this top bar depending on what kind of properties are currently visible in this screen. So I can click on boats and it will show me what are the boats available in this area, right? If you want to go back to the list screen again, all you need to do is click on this bottom bar where it says 300 bots at the moment, and then that brings the list view again. And if you want to go back to the map view, you click on the map button again, and then it switches over to map. The same button appears on Airbnb website when you're using it from your computer, and the same way you can flip it back from list to map and the vice versa. I hope you enjoyed this video. All the best.